everyone, and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie for another Dollar Tree haul. If you saw my video last week, you know that I'm back and making content again for my channel. So here's my second Dollar Tree haul that I've done in the last week, and yeah, let's get started. So first off, these are absolutely awesome. So for just $1, they're super heavy. It's just a piece of wood and they have different phrases on it. So as you can see, this one says, make your dreams happen. They're quite long. And I grabbed the last two that I saw. So really, really nice for decor. And then they had it in white as well. So you can see your attitude determines your direction. So super nice for decor, really anywhere in your home, and really heavy and just really great quality. Aside from that, here are some other like stationery type items that I got. I've been seeing people haul these lately. I grabbed myself a pair as well. Look how gorgeous that foil is. If you haven't seen these yet, these are die cuts, which are fantastic for scrapbooking, but you can also use them for decor as well. I'll see if I can insert a video here. I use these items or very similar items from the Dollar Tree to decorate my daughter's wall. So just to show you. So really you can do so many things with them. You just put a piece of felt on that, like felt tape on the back, and you can stick these on a wall as well and make them just really pretty decor. I also picked up these foil stickers, as you can see, dragonflies. I'm thinking of getting back into my Plan With Me videos, and I thought this would be a really pretty Plan With Me spread. And then this here, well, this is the cover, but I did pick up a box as well. It says you are always loved, and I might do something with this, but the actual box, super pretty as well. But I got this for a DIY, so stay tuned because that'll be coming out to you very, very soon. All right, so moving right along, here are some more items that I got. So this is not new. These really pretty canisters that you can get in their garden section. I did pick one up though for a DIY that I'm gonna be doing very soon, as did I get these little mirrors. So these are your mirrors that you would use for like to put a candle on. That's gonna be for a DIY as well. I got 4 of these in total. And then I picked up some more fashion nails. If you haven't seen my Dollar Tree fashion nails video and you're interested, take a look at that. But I am just a huge fan of the Dollar Tree nails, and look at how pretty these are. Never have I seen these ones before, so they are definitely new, at least at my location. And then this color as well, super pretty. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I'll just show you quickly. So these are Dollar Tree nails. They do last me about a week, sometimes longer. But yeah, so you'll have to check out that video if you're interested. And then I thought these were really cute. So these are just heart-shaped baskets. Really great. If you have a kid, or even if you don't have a kid, I just thought these would be great to put some of her outdoor toys in. And you do get 2 for the price of 1, and they come in several different colors. And you can find these in their outdoor section, so where they have like chalk and all the outdoor toys and things like that. And then I picked up this tablecloth cover. It's just a princess tablecloth. It's for my daughter's upcoming birthday. And then just a few treats, because I always love to get treats. So Glossette peanuts. I pretty much always get these when I go to the Dollar Tree just because they're great. They taste great, but this is the big container that retails for over $2 at a place like Walmart. So really good deal. And then I saw these, first time I've seen these. They're little mini Chip Ahoys. So just a cute little snack. I thought that was a really good deal. And so are these. Love, love these. So these are Special K cracker chips. You know, much healthier than eating regular chips. So I grabbed 2 of these. Sorry for the noise. And then I picked up some placemats. So these are just your regular outdoor placemats, or they can be used for inside as well. I got these for outside just to use to put underneath some flowers, and I loved the red because it goes with my outdoor decor. And then my last few items that I got here. First off, yes, I'll show you the flag in a second, but I hauled these last week. So if you saw my video last week, I had hauled these containers with the rubber on the inside and the rubber on the bottom. for my new desk that I got, and they fit absolutely perfect. So I picked up 2 more, and then I picked up these ones as well. I think these are much longer than the ones I hauled last week, so I picked up 2 of these as well. Super great to use in a drawer. They don't slide. They're really fantastic. Yeah, and then lastly, I picked up this Canadian flag because I do live in Canada, and Canada Day is coming up very soon. If you live in Canada, definitely check out the Dollar Tree because they have a ton of Canada Day stuff, probably more than I think I've ever seen before. So definitely you have to check that out. This is just one of those really long flags that you can, hold on to or stick into a flower pot or something like that. And that's really it, guys. So that was my Dollar Tree haul this week. I hope you enjoyed this quick haul. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy these types of videos, and stay tuned for my upcoming more hauls, of course, but also my upcoming DIYs that I'll have out to you really soon. All right, guys, love and peace to you all. Bye.